One House of Rep member for Ovia Federal Constituency for Edo State, where them still don't elect again for second time, Honorable Idahosa, don't begin to repair one road for Igobazuwa community for Edo State. Honorable Dennis wey dey there when dem begin the work talk say he don't tell where people don't abandon the road sake of say e bad. Inconsi talk say the project go start with the gutter sake of erosion and later they go finish the road.
For those of you that might not know what is currently happening here, this is Ogbonge Street. We are currently doing a road rehabilitation and erosion control. The one now the road has been blocked. We decided to give the passage and also do the drainage system that would use for the erosion control. We are trying everything possible to make sure that Ovia remains the best in Ovia Federal Constituency. This road rehabilitation done by Honorable Idahosa, member of the Rep.
The PDP Chairmo for Ovia Southwest, Honorable Felix, will be one of the community people talk say they like the good work where Honorable Dennis they do. In Constitution, say Honorable Dennis don't promise and say the work no go stop.
I'm Honorable Felix, an indigenous of this community, Kobazuwa, and also the PDP Chairman of the Southwest. I'm here because of the good work our son, Honorable Idahosa, Dennis, is doing for us. This street, Igwe Street, has been an abandoned street for years, but he came to rescue the people of this street. You can see excavator working here to dig the hole where all this erosion will be channeled to. So that is the reason why we are here. So I want to applaud Honorable Dennis Idahosa for his good work, and he also promised that he's not going to stop at this level. He's still continue to do more for us.
Some of the people wey still chook mouth for the matter talk say
you can say Honorable Dennis Idahosa in action again. He has won his re-election and yet he's not resting. This shows that he did not only campaign to win, he's a working rep member. He's Mr. Projects, and every day is projects. He won his election last week, and I'm surprised today I'm at the site where the whole street that has been abandoned in the years is now making it more tolerable. Kudos to Honorable Dennis Idahosa. This is the kind of rep member who will continue to vote. I know if we vote 10 times, Ovia will continue to say yes to him. I pray God to continue to grant him his heart desire.
Amen.
He continue to go higher and higher.
Amen.
This is not the last office he's going.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is shouting here. Where is he going?
Go.
Where is he going?
Yes,
He says so you can hear the people. At the appropriate time, the people will speak.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is Honorable Dennis Idahosa's work in action, and his action will continue to speak for him. So I'm begging everybody in Igobazuwa, continue to help Honorable Dennis Idahosa, continue to vote APC candidates.
Yes.
Continue to vote APC candidates. The PDP leadership in the state has failed. This is the only working governor, the only working honorable we now have as our savior in Edo State.
Yes, sir.
So that is all I can say. Kudos to Honorable Dennis Idahosa.
Dennis Idahosa, no as of rep of Mwebu Ekitapla Adima, Ekidemana Abadon. It's a year plus now. I never never book. Is that you born with that big woman? Motoboy, the whole end about Yarwa. Everybody believe we are Montio. I was there with Obaya. Better than enough. Not tell away, Mr. Saboro, Dennis Idahosa, a Korean email. Any cow, no Temusayo. Kupona, Pona, Ben no ma. I want to know my year, if no ma, if no money may very old and I do for you. That's a cover.
from Benin City, Taiwo Ayeni, TMC TV News.